The Russian Federation decided to send humanitarian assistance to India in the spirit of the special and privileged strategic partnership between our two countries, as well as in the context of our anti-COVID-19 cooperation. For this purpose, two urgent flights operated by the Russian Amercom arrived here today. These are oxygen concentrators, lung ventilation equipment, bedside monitors, medicines including Coronavir, and other essential pharmaceutical items. Joint fight against the coronavirus threat is one of the most important areas of our cooperation at present. It also includes the forthcoming deliveries of the Sputnik V vaccine starting from May 2021 and the subsequent facilitation of its production in India, cooperation in the field of medical science.
ABP Sonja, Josh Jazba, Junoon.